baking with the Noms baking oven.
How did you got it?
I got it from my grandma
For the Christmas.
for the Christmas.
Wow, it's just like the toy that every American girl have been dream of, right, Allie? So what you say to grandmom?
Thank you.
So what you got with the num num? Can you show your friend?
I got some Hello Lucy sugar cookies. And Hello Lucy orange sugar. And I brought
And the pan.
yeah, and the
And
pan.
and what is that?
It's like a spatula. And here's the baking oven.
For sure, we can do it without it, right?
Yeah.
And also don't forget to read the instructions.
Instructions.
Yeah.
Because you want to know. And we buy
Some extra from Walmart, right?
Here's the sugar cookies. We put some. My mom put some in the bowl. And here's like this cooking spray, so the cookies doesn't stick to the pan. And then we have some icing, and some sprinkles from Walmart.
Okay, so you want to start? Gonna start first with the. Maybe we should to start with 3 of them. Make a tiny one.
Yeah.
About that side. Okay.
Okay. Okay. You pass it to me. Okay. It smells good.
It smells good.
Yeah.
It's like a sugar cookie.
I'm gonna make it now. Is this good?
Yes.
Okay, here, Mom.
Put it in here.
Okay.
Put 3 of them. 1.
Can you give me the amount? Because I don't know. It feels good.
Don't forget to get some kind of the trash bag beside of you. So
yeah, in case there's trash.
Yeah.
Like we have to cut this open. Then we put it in there.
Are you excited?
Yeah, it feels almost like Play-Doh. But it's not. Okay, I put that there. Is this fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe a little bit more, Allie.
Okay.
Yeah, we should start with 3 and see how it goes.
Yeah, hopefully it works good. Is this fine?
I remember when you got it, you say, oh my God, like 10 times.
No, I said it almost like 1,000.
You're really happy making it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I say, oh my gosh, and everything.
Okay, try to grab your napkin. Try to
Okay.
grab your own napkin.
I'm gonna finish the chair. There we go. Did you drop your hat? Oh, you did. Pinkie Pie, how about you work without it? Like me. Okay.
Okay, and
I got my napkin.
we're gonna start.
I'm gonna put it here.
All right, welcome back. Sorry for we need to pause it for a second because mommy doesn't know if the box can hold num num or not because it's gonna be hot.
Yeah.
Like we said, it's a real oven baking. It's not just a toy.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
mom did plug it in, And here is what the instructions say. Yeah, for place we flatten cookie below the top edge of the pan, and spatula and oven chambers.
Yeah, and
Baking chamber, put the oven
this
into
is
baking.
paper.
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna start with like 10 minutes first. And right now it's set off. We're gonna place it to on, and we don't want to do anything on top of this.
Yeah.
But we'll see if the cookie it doesn't cook. So maybe we can just put it over here for reheat, or we can make a pancake too, right?
I don't know. It doesn't say yet.
Then, Mommy want Allie to use the pink.
Ice or
Yeah.
spatula?
No. The pink spoon. Put
It's not
here.
a spoon.
Oh yeah.
And
It's a
then-
spatula.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's like a
put it here, Allie. Before Mommy gonna turn it on.
Right. Where do I put it?
This is the enter. The letter is really white, so it's kind of like hard to see. And this one is the exit. It said hot
Ovens, top and
interior.
interior surface. Do not touch pans and foods. Handle carefully.
Okay.
It says hot 2 times.
Yeah.
It also says, well, just here.
Well, our camera holder is not really working,
So Mom has to hold
Mom
it.
need to hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we'll see if we can put the camera somewhere, so Mom can help Allie. But right now it's not really hot. Allie can just try to insert this into the pan, and for 10 minutes we'll see.
Yeah, it's almost like pizza. I made pizza before.
Okay, all right. Go ahead.
Okay. I'll be careful. Guys, make sure you have a door to help you. Can you help me?
Yes. Yes, stop the video.